No, he restores some, and he has them at home, and I usually don't drive them unless I have to pull him or something to start one. And I grew up on the farms where we did it,
So you think you'll be doing more after this?
Depends on if he's got enough room on his trailer to haul me.
There you go. Well,
He's
good.
got a trailer that usually hauls his tractor, but yeah, I enjoy it.
What are you driving? What kind?
Oh, it's a little old Ford.
Okay.
He just bought it and said,
I like those though.
He said, I think you can handle that better.
Yeah.
So,
Well, good. Well, have fun.
we are.
Good. Okay, I'm here with Daryl Stitzel and Rich Geertz from, Daryl's from Shannon, a county board member, and Rich is from Lanark. What are you guys driving today?
I got an old Farmall 1206 Wheatland.
How about you?
806 Wheatland.
Okay. Well, you picked a great day for this, huh?
Well, I didn't pick today, but it is a nice day for it. A lot cooler out.
There you go. Do you guys do this very often?
This is the only one we do each year. I do each year.
Okay.
This is actually the first one I've been on.
Okay. What do you think of this?
Good. It's been fun.
Okay. Are you, is Rich the one you're swapping out snowmobiles with tractors?
Yep.
What do you prefer, the snow or the...
I prefer the snow.
Well, I guess over 100 degrees, I'd take it too. So, well, gentlemen, thank you so much, and have fun.
All right, thanks.
Janet Winters, and I was a Vulcan, and I'm driving a 4020 John Deere, and I'm having a great time.
Are the Vulcans John Deere family?
Pretty much.
Some of them have gone to the other side already.
Oh no!
Did you see the Olivers?
Well, that was, yeah, but for the most part, yeah.
It takes some Joyce.
What are you driving, Joyce?
I'm driving a 4020 John Deere.
Okay.
2510 John Deere. And I remember my brother Donnie when he taught me how to drive on the baler. He'd jump off the hay rack up to the tractor, back to the hay rack without ever stopping. And Stanley's watching out for me today.
There you
they
go.
all are.
There you go.
I'm Don Volkins, and I'm driving a 1949 John Deere.
Okay.
I'm Delbert, and I'm driving a 1650 Oliver like the one I started farming with in 1966. And it's not the same one, but it's one like it.
Yeah.
Your father-in-law.
Well, my father-in-law, Earl Ratmeyer, owned the Oliver and White dealership here in town for over 40 years. And Brother Stanley owns and is... I'll let him tell about it. Okay.
There you go. Nice, Stan.
I'm Stanley, and I drove a 1755 Oliver that Earl Ratmeyer sold new, I think about 1972, the last tractor he sold from his dealership.
Wow.
And
Well,
I got other models of tractors too.
Okay, great.
I'm Dave Volkins, and I'm driving a Cockshed 40. I didn't grow up with one, but I think they're a pretty neat tractor. And I got John Deere's and Massey Ferguson and International at home.
There you go. And this is all, why are you guys gathering here today?
The reason we all got together to drive together is in memory of our folks, Clarence and Bertha Volkins, and also in memory of all our uncles and aunts, because we're now the older generation. So
There you go.
we thought it'd be fitting.
And is this the first time you guys have done this?
First time all together.
Yeah.
A couple of them have done it in once or twice.
Other years, yeah.
Yeah. Well, good to see you all together, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Chaz Welch, Farm Bureau Manager. How many did you have today?
I think we ended up with about 75. We had 81 registrations, and we had a few who didn't make it, and we had a couple extras. So.
Yeah, how many miles on the round trip?
It's about 40 miles is what we figured out.
Okay.
Yeah, the weather turned out to be perfect today. It's one of the best days we've had. They were all a little bit disappointed though, because every year we've had some form of rain, and this year, the year they need the rain the most, we certainly didn't get a drop.
Yeah, speaking of that, what's it looking like for the crops? I know we've had a little rain, but is it enough?
Some areas of the county have gotten more than others and are looking pretty good, but the majority of them are really suffering right now.
Well, I guess you have good years and bad years, just like anything. But,
Certainly do.
Well, Chaz, thanks so much for your help. Talk to you soon.
Thank you, Tom. Bye.